Hey everybody, it's Brian here with SoCo Customs, and I'm back with another Tire Tuesday or Tire Talk. However you found us, we have them both labeled. What we have here is the Fury Country Hunter RTs. You might be more familiar with the Fury Country Hunter MTs or the MT2s. Those are on a lot of the really cool SEMA builds that you see floating around Instagram, and we'll go ahead and show you those since we do have that footage. So when you're doing the research on the Fury website, you can tell that they're very proud of how well their tires roll. These are rated for better fuel economy, they're rated for comfort, and they're also rated for how little noise they put off. They're also rated at an E load rating, so definitely good for towing. These are also a good all-season tire. A lot of times when you're researching mud tires on other companies' websites, they'll label them as a summer tire. That's because they don't really want to make any guarantees about how they're going to handle in the snow. You can tell that these are an all-season tire because they do have quite a bit of siping in there. They also have these angular tread blocks which really help to eject snow, mud, and sand. So no matter if you're on-road or off-road, it's going to be able to eject anything and not cake up the tread and slide around quite a bit. So I really like the very angular tread blocks on here, as well as the sidewall. It does give you a very aggressive look without having to go up to the mud tire. So especially if you're working on a build and you don't want to fully commit to the mud tire, these would be a very good option for you. The price point is also great. They're competing with a lot of these more affordable tire brands as far as price goes, but they still look cool, still perform well. These come with the typical Fury 4-year warranty, but they also come with a 45,000 mile warranty. So the tire we have here is a 33/12/50/20. This is a really good sized tire if you're going with minimal lift but still want to make sure you get that aftermarket look on there. As you know, we are the exclusive Colorado Springs dealer for Fury Off-Road. If you have any questions about these tires, the RTs, the MTs, or the MT2s, please come by or give us a call and we can definitely get those ordered for you. If you could, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and leave any questions you might have in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks and have a great day.